If your idioms are all mixed up, you're a linguistic chef gone rogue. Let's fix that. Here are 3 commonly misused idioms and how to fix them. First up, we've got bite more than you can chew. It doesn't mean taking a big risk. It means taking on too much work. So saying I'll bite more than I can chew and start 5 projects at once is definitely a no-no. Instead, say I'll take a big risk and start 5 projects at once. Next, pull someone's leg. This one's tricky. It means joking in a friendly way, not making fun of someone. So, he was pulling my leg in a rude way should actually be, he was making fun of me in a rude way. Lastly, hit the sack. It means going to sleep, not relaxing. I'll hit the sack and watch Netflix? Nope, say I'll relax and watch Netflix instead. Did you get any of these wrong? Tell me in the comments. Like, share and follow for more English tips.